My YouTube friends, we are back with another video, this time not from Waterkloof layout, but the layout in my study. This layout had been dormant for a very long time, but now it's receiving attention, and in order for the trains to run, the track work must be solid, so we're sending a little Gandhi dancer or a pump truck to go and inspect the track. And this is so small, if there's any electrical problem, it stalls because it does not breach the frogs, which in this case are plastic. You will see it stops quite frequently, but that just gives me an idea of where there's problems. Give it a little nudge and off it goes again. And this little guy is quite handy for testing track, being very light as well. If there's any bumps in the track, it gets deflected and thrown off the track. And it runs at quite a speed, so I have to run literally with the camera. Although this is quite a small area, but trying to control the train and work the camera and follow the little Gandhi dancer is quite a big ask, so I apologize for the jumpiness of the video. And sometimes the picture going skew and whatever, but I think you get the idea of this little shunting layout specifically designed to simulate last mile operations where there are 4 industries close together and 2 staging tracks, one for empties and one for loaded wagons, and then they just get swapped out. So these little guys are busy testing the track, seeing where there's track cleaning needed, where there's some alignment needed, etc., etc. And then they're heading back to management depot that is not built yet. Let's see, they are running around the layout, and of course the diamond crossing will let them stall because of the frogs. And here they're going through another turnout, again stalling, but that's to be expected with that short wheelbase. Then, once the track was proven safe, we sent a locomotive on the track to also have a look at electrical pickup issues. So Burlington Northern SD7 or SD9, I'm not sure which, is on the tracks and stalled on the same turnout and on that piece of track. Following the turnout, definitely some electrical issues. So we will have to work on those. And again, it stalls on the same piece of track. Give it a little nudge until the front bogie is over the track piece and it picks up power and it runs off beautifully. Coming back, it seems to run very well without any hesitation on that same piece of track. But going forward, it seems to bind or stall there. So let's see if we take an alternate route. No, it's still on that route and it's still stalling. So that is definitely something that requires attention. But slowly and surely things are coming together. I mean, this is a DC powered layout, so only one locomotive can run the entire layout at a time. And currently it is this Burlington Northern locomotive. And now it's taking the alternate route and it is doing quite well, running through the turnouts. And there's another area where the turnout needs a bit of cleaning so that the loco has decent pickup. And let's see, running into the stop block. Now, luckily stopping before it and not demolishing the stop block. And then reverse back to the staging tracks where we started. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel and share the video with your friends.